So guys, unbox na natin to.
Yun guys, no? After more than a month sa Pinas and almost 3 weeks din dito sa Taiwan na hindi ko nabubuksan. Finally, meron na akong time para i-unbox tong aking silver play button, no? Na galing kay YouTube. So, ito nabuksan na to sa Pinas, no? Tinignan na to ng family ko, no? And curious lang sila kung ano itsura. So, i-unbox ko dito sa aking channel. So, let's go guys. So, ayan po yung packaging niya. Ayan. So, unbox natin. So, madali na lang to kasi nabuksan na nila to eh. And, let's see. Ayan. No. So, yung letter kaagad, no? Makikita nyo yung letters, no? So, galing kay YouTube, no? Do you remember your first subscriber, no? Your 100 or your 1,000 subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Yan. So your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, and maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see you and you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your million subscriber, sana all, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Yun, guys, ito yung letter ni YouTube, no? Sa mga nakakuha ng 100,000 subscribers ng Silver Play button. Yun. Yun natin yan. Open na natin. So, meron pa siyang itong discount, no? Yan. Then, ito na siya, guys, no? In the past few years na nagbibigay si YouTube ng ng Silver Play button. Ay, meron pa pala. So, nakalagay yan, recognize your team. So, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng another Silver Play button, so ito yung recognize your team. So, pwede kang umorder kay YouTube ng another set ng Silver Play button o kaya ito ng mga yung desktop na button. Yan, tawag nila dyan. Then, sabi dito, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us. So, thanks Rick, no? Society Awards. Salamat sa paggawa ng aking Silver Play button award. So yan guys, no? Ito na yung Silver Play button. Okay. So yun. So nakalagay, maliwanag, Tropa Toons. Presented to Tropa Toons for passing 100,000 subscribers. So ganda. Yan. Tropa Toons. Thank you guys, maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na nagsusuporta, no, sa mga old friends sa YouTube, new friends, pati sa mga friends na wala na rin, no? Miss you guys. Thank you, nagawa natin to, no? Maraming salamat sa support.
Gusto magpasalamat kay Ate Jackie no, sa Team Lifestyle Guarin, no, na matagal ko ng team, no. Actually, siguro nung mga less than 1,000, ganun, ako, member na ako kay Ate Jari ng Team Meow, no, ng Lifestyle Guarin, no. Then, special mention nga pala kay Miss Ana Fonsi, no, na during that time na binidyohan ko yung tawag dito, binidyohan ko yung mag 100k ako. So napadaan ako dun during that time nag-LS si Miss Ana Fonsi, no. So sinabi ko sa kanya na, Miss Ana, inantok na ako. Gusto ko nang gumraduate, no, para mabidyohan ko. So yun naman, tinulungan niya ako, and yun, special thanks to you, Miss Ana. Yun, maraming salamat. Then gusto magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko sa YT noon at ngayon, na kasama pa natin hanggang ngayon, pati doon sa mga kaibigan ko sa YT na wala na, no, and namimiss ko kayo, and yun, finally nagawa ko to sa tulong nyo, as sa tulong ng lahat ng mga kaibigan ko sa YT, pati yung mga yung mga nakaka-discover ng channel ko. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga support yung binigay niyo sa akin through the years, no. So maraming pong salamat para po sa atin to.